Here we have a 4 Weber in excellent condition. It's a 2014 machine. It doesn't have a box currently, but would be available with one. Paintwork's in excellent condition. The discs also have plenty of wear left on them. It has a standard 4-hole towing eye. Very little wear on it. A standard drawbar, which could be changed for a shock drawbar if necessary. It's got a linear sensor on it, which compensates with the rear, so whenever the rear is lifted up at the back, the shear will maintain the same depth. Inside the machine it has a multi-blade shear, and as you can see the multi-blades are in good condition. There's protective side plates also. The discs also have plenty of wear left on them. It has a 4-band 37mm web on the front. This is also in good condition. The outer bands are slightly wider than the inner bands, which just give a bit more support on the web. So the bars are in good condition with very little wear on them. This would come with new joining kits and joining rods. The rollers also are in really good condition. So are the drive sprockets. The second web is a 43mm 3-band, although that can be changed. The fourth web is the third web, sorry, is another 43, and then a 37 at the rear. All these webs can be changed. The clutch protection boxes show inside. It's a 4-row clutch in there. This machine's got a scrubber web on the top of it, and that goes in each direction. So when the stones are wanting to come up the machine, it comes in the direction with the flow, and if there's a lot of clod, then it can go against the flow. You can also change, there's pressure rollers inside, so you can put more or less pressure on the scrubber web. These are the rear lift rams, and as you can see there's 2 positions for those. So right now they're in the lowest position, so the machine will be at its flattest, but they can be moved to the other hole position. It has 20-inch wheels on it, 6-stud axle, and the axle. Here it's actually got brakes on it as well. Other wear parts, also have another season or 2 that it's in. The discs are controlled, they're pressurised. The pressure doesn't need to be adjusted from there. This is the gauge for the rear height adjustment. So I'll just show you underneath the guards. You can see that it's all belt driven with carbon fibre belts. So seriously strong belts, which normally last the life of the machine. all standard bearings that are used, RHP or SKF bearings, and there's several centralised greasing bags just dotted over the machine. There's another one there, just so that the bearings which are harder to reach are never forgotten about. Same at the other side, belt drive system. And the hydraulic and electronic boxes are here as well. So if you'd like any more information about this machine or any others that we have in stock, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us.